Data in Ghana is very expensive, and to me, I feel like the network providers are cheating us. And so I have a way I maneuver around it. There's a way I pass through to get cheap data from these same network providers, and I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. These are informations that MTN, Telecel, AirtelTigo is trying to keep secret and do not want you to know, but because I love you, I want to expose all those secrets for you so that you also take note, and next time if you are buying data, you use the method that I use and then you get affordable internet data as low as 1 gigabyte for less than 2 Ghana cedis, and it works on all networks: MTN, Vodafone, Telecel. But in this video, I'm going to use MTN and Telecel as a case study. Of course, you can apply it in any other network as well. So without wasting much time, my name is Apiamera. Let's get right into the video. Let me emphatically state that you might want to watch this video to the end and not skip any part, because I'm going to explain certain things in the video that you need to pay attention to. And so if you skip your own wahala. And so let's start with MTN. If you download the My MTN app, which is on the Google Play Store, which is the best way to purchase MTN data and the most affordable way to purchase MTN data. In fact, purchasing on the My MTN Momo app is more affordable than using the USSD code, which is the *138 or *170. And in fact, it gives you bonus as well. So you go to the Play Store, download the app, and then once you're in the app, you are going to see similar interface like this telling you what the app does. You would want to skip all this place and then click on Get Started. Now, once you click on Get Started, all you want to do is to come over here to Data Bundles, and then you click on Data Bundles. Now, as you can see, the most popular bundle here by MTN is the 3 cedis bundle. Now, this 3 cedi bundle gives you 401.63, yes, 401.63 megabytes of data. That is 3 cedis bundle. Now, assuming we want to purchase 1 gigabyte, if you go through the options, there is no option for exactly 1 gigabyte, but what is really close is the 10 cedis bundle, which gives you 826.76 megabyte for 10 cedis. It is not up to 1 gigabyte yet, but then let's note something. The 3 cedis bundle gives us 401.63 megabytes. That is 3 Ghana cedis. Now let's go to the calculator and calculate certain things. Now this means that if you're to purchase 3 times the 401 megabytes, you're going to pay a total of 9 Ghana cedis for a data of about 1.2 gigabytes, 9 cedis. But then the 10 cedis data doesn't give you up to the 1 gigabyte, but then the 3 cedis times 3 gives you 1.2 gigabyte. And so there's something to take note of. Instead of buying straightforward 10 cedis bundle, you can buy 3 cedis 3 times, and then you're going to get 1.2 gigabyte, get more data, and then save yourself another 1 Ghana cedi. Now let's look at the MTN data packages as well. Now we notice that the highest data package is the 399 Ghana cedis data package, which gives you 214.53 gigabytes. 214.53 gigabytes. Now, for the 10 cedis data package, to get 1 gigabyte, you'd have to pay 12 cedis, because the 10 cedis is 826. And so if you do the calculations, to get 1 gigabyte of data, you'd have to pay 12.1 Ghana cedis for a gigabyte of data. Now let's look at the 399 package, which gives you 214 gigabytes of data. And let's say now, if you do the calculations very well, you notice that 399 divided by the 214.53 gigabytes equals 1.86 Ghana cedis. And so by virtue of purchasing the 399 Ghana cedis gigabyte, which gives you 215 gigabytes of data, you get 1.86 cedis per gigabyte for data. So which means that if you purchase in bulk, that means you are going to get more. And so the larger bundle is over 6 times cheaper in gigabytes than the smaller bundles. And so if you're somebody who uses data more often or has enough money to go that route, then it is advisable that you purchase the 399 Ghana cedis bundle, which gives you 1 gigabyte for just 1.86 Ghana cedis, rather than purchasing the 3 cedis or the 10 cedis. You get it? Which means that the 399 Ghana cedis bundle is more valuable. Now, this is MTN. Let's look at Vodafone. Now, if you go to Vodafone, let's look at the Vodafone app. Now, also in this tutorial, I'm going to use the Telecel Play app. In the Telecel Play app, you download and then you come all the way here to mobile bundles. Now, you click on data bundles and then you go to the non-expiry data. Now over here you scroll through the packages and then you see that the closest to 1 gigabyte you can get is 20 Ghana cedis, which gives you 1.65 gigabytes of data. And so if you are to divide the 20 Ghana cedis by the 1.65 gigabytes of data, you are going to pay 12.1 Ghana cedis per gigabyte. And so Vodafone is giving you 12 cedis per gigabyte of data. Now, their highest package as well is the 400 Ghana cedis data, similar to the MTN data, which gives you 256 gigabytes of data. Now, if you divide 400 Ghana cedis by 256 gigabytes, you are going to get 1.56 Ghana cedis per gigabyte, which means that if you purchase the bulk data, you are going to get 1 gigabyte for less than 2 cedis, which is just 1.6 Ghana cedis, which is about 8 times more than the normal value. So what is the takeoff from this video? Data in Ghana is very hard. I know things are hard in the country, but if you can, that is if you can afford it, whether you're using MTN, Telecel or AirtelTigo, buy the bulk data, buy the highest package, which gives you more data for comparatively less. Now you might think as if 400 cedis, I mean somebody's monthly salary, it's very expensive, it's some huge amount of money. But then if you do the calculations as I've shown you in the video, you realize that you are getting it for way cheaper. And me personally, I purchased the 400 Ghana cedis data from Telecel and I've been using it for more than 3 months, getting to 6 months, and I don't even have to think of having data. I know that I have data. There is that peace of mind in knowing that you have internet data and whatever you want to do, you can do it on your phone. This is what I've been using to upload my YouTube videos, going on social media and everything. And I just know that I have data on my phone. The data is there. I don't need to worry about it. It just works for me, and by so doing, I'm saving a ton of money and I'm getting so much gigabyte for the money that I am paying. Now, if you cannot afford the 400 Ghana cedis, just as I showed you, the 3 cedis data in MTN gives you more. That is, if you buy 3 cedis times 3, you get more than buying the 10 cedis. Same thing applies to Vodafone and Telecel and all the other networks as well. And so next time you are buying data, please put that in mind and know how you are buying the data to get more of the money you are using to buy the data. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments or any suggestions, please let me know what you think about the data bundle situation in the country. Do you face any challenges? Is there any cheap bundle you can suggest? Any other thing? Drop it in the comment section. Also, like this video if you found this helpful, and subscribe and put us on post notifications so that whenever we drop more awesome content like this, you would be notified. As usual, my name is Apiamera, and to meet again, I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.